Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will go over the templates function in LusoCAD. Templates are very useful for times when we frequently work with similar drawings, and we can benefit from cutting time setting up the file. For example, here on screen we have a common architectural template that will be useful for multiple different drawings and projects, so we would like to set it as a template. First thing we must do is save the drawing we want to set as a template. Go to File, Save As. Here we must remember to save the file as a DWT file, a template CAD file. By changing the format, the file will automatically be directed to the templates folder in our computer. Let's name the file and save it. Now that it's saved, we can close the file and try creating a new file. When we do so, we will be prompted to select a template file. Here we can see our previously saved template, and we select it. Now we can start drawing. Let's now imagine we want to set this template as the default drawing when we create a new file. To do so, we must go to LusoCAD settings first. Navigate to the File section and go down to Template Settings. Expand the default template file name for QNew, and double-click. Here we select the template we just created. Now we apply changes and click OK. Now every time we create a new file, our template will be opened automatically. That was all for this lesson. Keep watching the course to further your LusoCAD skills.